everything is beautiful. This is the place to come and have the dental work. I'm from Florida, and my name is Martha, and I had the snapping denture with mini implants. I was searching on the internet, and I found a lot of videos about Dr. Arzate, and I decided to come here. Well, I have dentures for like 5 years, and I was not comfortable. Now I can eat nuts. It's amazing. I can eat everything. I already ate a steak, and I said, "Oh my God, it's gonna fall," and nothing. I move it. It doesn't go anywhere. I can eat everything. Since I got here, everybody's so friendly. They call me 3 times a day to see how I was doing. They did the surgery the same day, and no pain, just discomfort, but not pain at all. And in like 4 days, I got my teeth. Cancun is a safe place. And I got here during the election, and I didn't see any problem. Very safe. This is paradise. It's beautiful. The beaches, the weather, the sand. The price is amazing. I was quoted in Florida about $30,000 for what I had done. And it was halfway. It was not this. And here, 10,000 and everything is done. The anesthesia, the sedation, the teeth, the lab, all the adjustment, everything is included. Plus, if you have any problem with them, with whatever you don't like, they always in there, they always try to fix it, and even if you don't see it, like Dr. Gloria said, I don't like it this way, let's do it this way, a little bit more here, a little bit more there. I was happy already, but they make it perfect for me to go like, not showing any gums, like the way it's supposed to be. The same Dr. Arzate came that day. He's been coming in and out to check all the progress. Dr. Cesar, amazing doctor. I love everybody here. I recommend Dr. Arzate in Cancun Cosmetic Dentistry. With my heart, I'm telling you, this is the place to be if you want a good smile and affordable prices. This is the place. I'm very, very happy with my smile.